Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Icmeler and we're at the gorgeous wine house to try some authentic Turkish cuisine. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Guys, so we went for the mixed meze, so let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe.
So what we got here then?
So we got a mixture of dips, we got some traditional Turkish bread as well.
Tzatziki.
Ah, okay. Very fresh.
Very fresh. So yeah, it's very fresh. Everything is fresh, homemade. I'm gonna try this one, the green one. Looks like it's got a little bit of dried currant. Might be dried currant.
I'll try this one. It feels like a sort of hummus-based one. We'll put all the details of what we've ordered from the menu, so if you want to try it, you can go for the same as what we've gone for.
So this one is a cheese pesto. Cheese and pesto.
This is a really nice hummus. It's got a really nice warmth to it. Like a nice sort of, almost like a smoke to it. Really, really nice. Very, very nice.
Let me have a try. Nice. One here is like a salsa. I don't know. I hope you guys can see what. I think I put it into screen. So anyway, that's a salsa. I said this one's a pesto with cheese. Very nice pesto and cheese. Hummus. Tzatziki. Let me try the onion one.
So let's try the salsa. This is with the traditional Turkish cheese straws, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really nice. That on pasta would be lovely. I'd take that home and put it on a pasta dish.
Sabrina's voice has gone crazy. she's can't talk at the moment. I'm going back to the cheesy one. This one's really nice.
So this one here, beautiful. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. Very mild, but really nice and tomato based. A really nice sort of rich salsa. That with like fresh pasta, I would have that all day, every day.
This is my favourite. Yeah.
So this is like a pesto.
Hold on. Let me I'll scoop it up.
Oh, okay.
Need a good amount.
Ooh. And I love pesto.
And with the dried currants on top, it gives that little edge of the sweetness, so the sweetness comes through. Quite good that obviously we've figured everything out, because obviously when you get a mixed meze, normally when you go away, you can read on the menu what it says, but we didn't read. We just ordered mixed meze.
But we know this is what we like to go for, and this is really great for just sharing as a nice little starter, just as like a little introductory to the meal.
And normally it's like I've got a lot of local things on the plate, so it's very good to try the mixed meze whenever you go out.
But I think my favourite is probably the salsa, tzatziki. Like you said, that one's really good, and the hummus is really warm as well.
These tomatoes, I'm going to eat one. I hate tomatoes, just get that straight. So I like the decoration. They look good for decoration.
I love tomato.
Okay, it wasn't bad.
I love the tomato.
Something's happening with me. I think as you get older, your taste buds change. They become less. So then you're more It's just that, well, not, I don't know what the word is.
I'll have a cooked tomato, raw tomato, cherry tomato. If you got tomato, I'll just eat it. And same with cucumber. I love just eating cucumber as well.
We've got a bit of cucumber here.
Yeah, cucumber and tzatziki is like perfect.
So, if you're looking for Winehouse, obviously, Google Maps is great for finding anything. If you're coming from the beach, I can't think of the bar that it's close to. But anyway, it's on to, if you're looking at the beach, you'll be on the right hand side of the beach, very far right, and then up. You come out from the beach, all the way up. We'll show you right now. There'll be an image right now of how to get here from the beach. So check that out. And it's not far, and it's traditional. That's the main thing. It's a good traditional, and also they're doing different type of traditional food. So it's not just your kebab. You know, we're gonna have a kebab, but it's a lot of different stuff. So you'll see. Very, very, very good food. 100%. When we ran a restaurant, we were selling some of our food, as in you can buy it to take away. And some people were like, "Oh, who would buy that for this price?" Trust me, this is not supermarket food. This is fresh made, homemade food, and you're gonna pay more, obviously, because it's fresh, homemade from a restaurant. This is not Tesco. This is a restaurant. 100%.
This is a family-run restaurant. It's been going since 1987, so it's rich in history. If you want to come to Icmeler and you want to have a really beautiful meal, gorgeous restaurant, close to the beach with good flavour, good food, with good people, then come to this restaurant.
Obviously, write in the comments if you've ever been here before. Let us know. As I said, this is Winehouse. So this is just used to be a long time ago. Very, very, very busy. Obviously, we're talking pre-pandemic. So obviously, before that, queues were out the door. Restaurant was fully busy all the time. Obviously, like everywhere after pandemic, business is slowed. So you have to come and check this place out. It's here you're getting that authentic, slow, you know. I can't wait for my main because I ordered the lamb casserole, and I love some lamb.
So the wine, we asked for a sweet white wine. They delivered, and it's absolutely beautiful. Lovely sweet white wine to accompany this. So we've got ourselves a lamb casserole, Sultan's Delight, and then it comes with rice, and then we've also got a salad, which is done in a very beautiful way.
Yeah, they've made a rose. They made a rose from the.
With the leaves as well, really pretty.
Yeah, very pretty, very pretty. We used to make this when I was in the Caribbean restaurant. We used to make the little rose. You peel the tomato. You take the peel of tomato, and then you twist it around. It makes a beautiful little rose.
And the casserole comes out, and it's like flaming. So very traditional. So careful not to burn yourself.
So this is the Sultan's Delight.
Yeah, aubergines. It's aubergine based.
Aubergine based. You know how I love my
It's got
my
meat
veggies.
as well, but like the base is aubergine.
Right, let's try this. And this is what I've been looking to try. Wow, look at this, ready? Look at that cheese pull. Let's get Sabrina a some. Let's get her a second dip. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. Let me get myself some. Dig right in the middle. Let's have some of this lovely meat. Look at that. That's a pure meat pull, that one. Let's do one more.
And with the cheese as well.
And the cheese, yeah. Look at the cheese, guys. Yeah, so this is the lamb casserole.
And then we love this Turkish rice as well.
Yeah, Turkish do really good rice. Let's give it a try. I think when we do casserole at home, we don't put cheese on the casserole, do we?
No, you do not.
No. Oh, this is a new experience. Tastes really good. I'll tell you about another experience I had with cheese and other foods in a minute. But this is really, really good.
Nice and rich with like the tomato and the onion.
Big piece of meat.
Yeah. So you want from your casserole, lots of nice rich lamb. We have the lamb one.
Really nice and tender. And the cheese was really nice cheese, really nice cheese. And like I said, the rice, you can never fault the rice. The rice is always good, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's Todd Sultan's.
This is a traditional Ottoman dish.
Yeah, Ottoman dish, yeah.
Nice. It's got a nice sort of like paprika sort of warmth to it. Very creamy. Very
Paprika
creamy.
warmth.
Like a nice chorizo. If you like, know what like chorizo tastes like, it's got that sort of.
Yeah, chorizo has got the paprika in it. I'll tell you my opinion, hold on.
Kind of like a mashed potato, but like a really creamy.
Is that the aubergine?
Yeah.
So the mashed potato is the aubergine. And then you have the lamb again. So we've got lamb on top with a little bit of tomato. Quite cheesy. I think it's got cheesy in it.
Probably a little bit, yeah.
But if you look on here, look, I'll show you guys. On here, look at that. That has to have some cheese in it because look at the stringiness of it. So yeah, this is cheese and aubergine together. Really, really good. Really
and then
nice.
You've got like tomato, meat, onion. Like I said, you've got the paprika, so it's got a really nice sort of smoky, nice warm sort of cheesy.
Yeah.
Really, really comforting sort of.
Yeah. If you know me, obviously I hate vegetables. So obviously an aubergine mash with cheese. Wow. Again, I've. A lot of people get fooled when you're a kid and you're growing up and you're like, oh, I hate vegetables, you love meat and all this type of stuff. And then as you get older, you meet lovely women and they cook you really good dishes. And then you fall in love with, not the woman, the dish. You fall in love with the dish. But yeah, a lot of vegetables I've eaten.
Thanks to me.
No, not because of Sabrina.
Yeah, really, really tasty.
I love the way Sabrina's dressed today, like. I've come just, in a normal t-shirt and some shorts, and she's dressed up in a nice dress. So I'm underdressed today. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let us know if you've stayed here in this area or if you've been to this restaurant before and what your thoughts are.
Or if you never knew it even existed, because...
You just go to the same...
Yeah, everyone has their favourites. We go down the beach, we find little places that we really like. But this one's off the beaten track. Like I said, 5-6 years ago, before COVID, this was the place to be. Definitely 100% of food is top notch. 10 out of 10 for me. Like, lamb cooked perfectly. The flavours. So that's the main thing for me, is flavours. Yeah, I like more flavours in my food. So this is really good flavour.
Agree.
We agree on something. So let's what do you rate? What do you rate this out of? You have the traditional aubergine. It's called
Ottomans.
Yeah, it's the Ottomans.
I can't remember.
Right. We're just gonna say which one we like the
We'll
most.
put the titles.
So yeah, both of them will have the titles here. So my favourite was, they're both very good actually. The casserole was really good, like it's a rich casserole.
Yeah.
I'm guessing there's red wine on there. You got red wine, onions, carrot, other veggies.
Pepper, onion, tomato. So yeah, really nice and rich, and the meat is really good. Well
Really
done.
soft, yeah.
Presentation beautiful. I love how it comes out with the flame. and
The flame in
everything.
it, yeah.
Gives it that little bit of an extra, especially if you want that experience. And then this has really been a nice little surprise, hasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, really good. Really good.
Rice
So,
is beautiful as well.
so out of 10 for this one, Sabrina?
I would give this a 10, so I was really surprised, yeah.
Okay, and then obviously this is going to be a 10 as well then.
Yeah.
So we've got two 10-10s. We've got 10 10s out there, and this is our full on, we never lie. We tell you if we don't like something, we'll tell you if we don't like something. For me, yeah, 100% this is a 10.
Yeah.
This one's a 10. I'll say, let's be pragmatic, if that's the right word. If that was a 10 and that's a 9, because obviously...
This is really good for you because you're not really a big veg person.
Right.
So for me, I love that sort of stuff, but for you, that is, that's a big statement.
So 100% that's a 9, that's a 10.
That's really good.
And I like the presentation of this one, coming out with the flames.
Yeah.
I think
That whole
this is
experience makes it feel a little bit more
a
special.
little bit more
doesn't it?
elevated, yeah. So this one was more elevated, that's why I feel like I give it a 10. The other one a 9. I'm not saying this one doesn't always come like this. This is a small plate just for us, yeah. So obviously if you order this, it'll be probably a bit more like this, right? So don't judge our plates on what you're gonna have. Because 100% this will be different for you because this is just a taster for us.
So we've gone for a dessert. We've gone for the pistachio pancake. So it's pistachio ice cream, pancake. I'm going to have this just now to cool us down because, like I said, we've come for lunch and it's absolutely really. If you've been to Turkey, you know how hot it is.
That's a strawberry sauce. Oh, very soft ice cream.
Very soft. There's an option you can go for. Obviously, traditional vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, or pistachio. And we went for pistachio.
There's fruit compa. The fruit compa is really nice. It's like very jammy. I don't think it's strawberry. I'm moving towards more raspberry, yeah. More like a raspberry compote. But I think yeah, it can be strawberry. But it's just really nice anyway. It's very, very nice. I'm a big fan of this ice cream. Like, I'm going to try the ice cream on its own. So the ice cream is a premium ice cream, cardboard ice cream. I was correct. It's a berry. They call it like a mountain berry. Very much like a raspberry to me.
Yeah.
So, you know, I think because obviously, like, when we have raspberries at home or blackberries, we have them everywhere, don't we? They're not everywhere.
Yeah, especially this time of year.
So it's a really, really nice, sweet. I'll have that on toast with just butter and toast. It'd be lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, so we've just gone into strawberry moon time of year. So yeah, it's where when all the berries are rich and they're ready to sort of bloom. So at home, it's very traditional for us now to have like the raspberries, the rhubarb starts to come to life. We have all the black currants, blueberries, gooseberries. So yeah, really nice. Really, really nice. There's lots of people this time of year do like the strawberry picking. So in the UK, so yeah, the berries are ripe and perfect, so really good.
Getting stuffed though.
Yeah.
You see what we getting stuffed.
Sugary rush.
Yeah, it's good to give you that little wake up. So, your experience. So Sabrina's experience. Let's go for Sabrina first. Sabrina's experience of the wine house Icmeler. What's your experience? What do you think? What would you rate it as well?
I would rate this high quality, really great customer service, really good quality food. I feel like I'm in sort of a real part of Turkey, off the beaten track, really lovely, beautiful restaurant, and the food has been perfect. Yeah, and well looked after. So yeah, I definitely recommend this place.
100% same thing. Really, really lovely host. Zohan, come and say hello. So I'm going to pull the owner to come and say hello. Come over here. Thank you for today. Yeah.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your coming. Hope to see you in my house.
Guys, we'll catch you all soon, yeah? Bye-bye.
Bye.